Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdulrhman Uthman, a student of King Faisal University. In this video, we will continue discussing the select statement with order by. Again, here is the standard syntax of a select statement. We will be using the tables that were generated in lesson 16, so make sure you did that before proceeding here. Click SQL Workshop, then SQL Commands. Again, make sure to always set rows value to the maximum. Number 1. Select all columns from departments table ordered by department name. Select start from departments ordered by department name. Run it. Notice that the rows are arranged according to the department name from A to Z. And number 2. We will simply reverse our results in number 1. Simply add the word DASC after department name. Run it. The arrangement is reversed. Next, we will select department ID, first name and hire date columns from employees table ordered by department ID. Select then the 3 columns from employees ordered by department ID. Run it. The rows are arranged by department ID. But did you notice that among those from the same department, their names are not arranged? That is what we will do in number 4. By arranging them first with department ID, then by first name. Simply add department name after department ID. Run it. Last, we will select employee ID and salary columns from employees table where salary is greater than 10,000 and arranged from highest to lowest salary. Select employee ID, salary from employees where salary is greater than 10,000, ordered by salary, DESC, run it. In our next lesson, we will discuss single row functions. Thank you for your interest in this channel.